In front of me is Motorola Moto G30, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and click on this gear at the top of it. Then select Theme and click on the best one for you. You can see more by hitting Show More at the bottom right corners. After selecting a perfect theme, you can adjust key borders thanks to this switcher, and then save it by hitting Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. To customize it, go back to the same settings, and this time select plus icon under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!